I guess they call this RV life. I kinda did a thing. Looks like I'm gonna be remodeling my kitchen. Out with the old was the easy part. In with the new is gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Squirrel, what did Daddy do? Daddy made a mess. This motorhome's only 27 years old. It was due for an upgrade. Let's see what I can do. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Life of Lips. The time has finally come. For the last week now, I've been rebuilding my kitchen counters. Tore everything out and built all brand new. So let's go see it. Welcome to mi casa, aka Molly. There they are. So it's made out of 3/4 inch melamine, the base. The drawers are made out of oak, and the countertop is made out of birch with a lot of polyurethane. Came out pretty cool. Then I got these LED lights put around it, and they are synced with my TV accent lights, so everything matches. And then this removes, it's like a cutting board, or just cover the sink if I want more workspace. So yeah, there you go. I like the way it turned out. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more fun.